Load testing and regulation for shipboard cargo crane. Load testing is an essential process for ensuring the safe operation of crane equipment, especially on board ship. It is crucial to verify that the crane lifting capacity can safely handle maximum rated load without any malfunction or failure. The load testing process involves carefully measuring and applying loads that exceed a crane rated capacity in a controlled manner while monitoring its performance closely to ensure that it's safe and reliable. Load testing is an important aspect of regular crane maintenance and should be performed periodically. Load testing shall not be more than 125% of the rated load unless otherwise recommended by the manufacturer. Various international and national regulations and standards govern the testing of shipboard cargo cranes, such as the IMO SOLAS and the CSS Code and the ILO's Code of Practice on Safety and Health Enforcement and Guidance for the Prevention of Occupational Accident in the Port Sector. Additionally, class survey societies and organizations like ABSBP, NB, NNBGL, and LRNK provide inspection, testing, and certification services related to the cargo cranes, including load testing and complying with various international regulations and standards. What is the load test of a ship crane? The test involves lifting a test load to a minimum radius to check crane capacity, holding the load for 15 minutes to test brakes and structural strength, swinging the load left and right to further test strength. Completing the test, the crane is safe to perform the required lift.
Pag ginawa nyo hold, wala silang gana.
Dapat may tagahawak daw.
Ako nag-hold naman yun, hindi naman gumagalaw.
May ikot yun.
Pas yan, mag-ulit pa naman. Okay na, baba mo na, 35 tons yan. Hindi yan basta-basta. Baka
Silang procedure na yun.
baka madali yung ating wire.
Ano daw din? Brake test na, brake test.
Ayan, ayan, naka-brake test na yan.
Brake test.
Ha? Ayan, ayan, naka-brake test na yan. Hindi naman gumagalaw eh.
Sir, ba nila kung islak pa? Slap daw ulit, slap. Dahan-dahan. Stop, stop, stop.
Okay na. Kita mo? Okay.
Tapos na. Tapos na.
Tapos na, tapos na.
Tapos na. Slap ka daw ulit, slap. Dahan-dahan. Dahan lang, slap.
Baba na ba?
Stop, stop, stop. Bira, bira.
Sa number 2 naman.
Kamay.
Ay, babag pang bubuhat doon.
Free.
Ayun, kala ko. Kapali pala.
Tanda sa ibaba na asyo, sir. Dapat mo ron. sige. Start mo ulit. Tapos, ano naman, boom up daw. Maximum boom up. Right, yung sinuwag set, baka matapat sa'yo ha, mag-break. Ang maximum boom up yan, sila kan. Lahat set, magkakasano, magkakasing. Okay, dahan-dahan lang para hindi mag-swing, baka tumalo. Sige, bungal. Sige, bumaba, bumaba. Diretso lang, diretso, hanggang mag-limit. Limit na din. Limit na yan, limit. Okay, maximum boom down naman daw, maximum boom down. Mike, limit na.
Okay, eto, susunod.
Luma. Bumap. Tapos iikot mo. Papuntang Estribor. Papuntang ano, swing to right.
360.
Sige, sabayan mo ng bumap. Tapos paikot.
Prior to actual testing carried out, documents relating to ship lifting gears and all cranes wire are supplied with test certificates already been presented to the class surveyor.
After tomorrow,
Test carried out by our surveyor, a visual examination of the crane cargo gear and its associated structure, wires, its other, for sign of fracture, wear, and other. A load test of gear usually using static weight. The weight will be safety working load plus 25% for crane less than 20 metric tons. In our case, our crane lift about 35 metric tons,
20 lang.
above 5 tons of the safety working loads of our
Tama lang
crane.
pa rin 22. Excited lang sila. Normally, hindi naman na-adjust yan. Ha? Hindi. Nilipat
On
lang.
completion of examination, the cargo gear register will be endorsed and the empty stamp will be provided to the ships. This will always be countersigned and stamped by the appropriate class surveyor who attended the examination or test.